Hello, this is Shekhar. I'm back, guys. As I told you that weekly I'll be coming up with videos and we'll be having this session of socializing for sociology with Shekhar. In the last video we had seen that we were discussing about we are trying to get to a point where we can have an appropriate definition for sociology. So today I'm going to deal with that appropriate definition with sociology. Sociology is a subject which is not just limited to study groups or interaction. It is science of society. It is study of social interactions existing in society. Okay. It is study of analysis of structures which are constituted out of interactions in society. We had already discussed these definitions, but ultimately what is the perfect definition of sociology? I told you that systematic study is a key word about sociology. Sociology is a body of knowledge which believes in conducting systematic study. It also, early sociologists, the founding fathers of the discipline, they had adopted scientific methods. So sociology is a systematic and scientific study sociology is systematic and scientific study of human behavior in social context. Say I drink this water. I drank this water because I felt thirsty. Now I acted like a biological being. But if I drink this water so that my voice or the pitch of my voice or intonation of my voice while delivering lecture in class or videos for you people is better, so that I am very well comprehensible by you people. If I act in such a manner so that I keep society or social context in mind, then that becomes human behavior in social context. If I would have just acted or behaved like a biological being, then it would have been an individual behavior. Now, sociology is a discipline which studies actions in collectivity, and because it studies actions in collectivity, therefore what will happen? Therefore, subject matter of sociology will be human behavior in social context. Apart from that, sociology studies social groups, institutions, interactions, patterns of society, social relationships, structures, and society as a whole. So, a standard definition of sociology becomes systematic and scientific study of human behavior in social context, study of social groups, social structures, its relationship and institutions, study of patterns of society, interactions in society and society as a whole. So today we have come to final definition of sociology. Now all these terms, be it what is social group, what is social institution, what do I mean by interrelationships, what are social interactions, we will get to all these terms in the next coming videos. Until then, stay tuned to YouTube channel of KSG, and please, it's a humble request, please subscribe to KSG's YouTube channel. That's all today on my end. It was a nice session of socializing for sociology with Shekhar. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's all. Let's see you next week. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care guys. Bye bye.